Hey guys, welcome to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how to download all files on Google Drive at once from your mobile device. As we are in a mobile world, we are most likely to encounter situations of managing storage files in Google Drive directly from the mobile. The advent of smartphones gave us the utmost flexibility to upload and store files directly to various mediums such as Google Drive easily from your mobile devices. Although it's flexible, the interface in the mobile could be a bit confusing as we have practiced large screen interfaces at work. Thus, in this video, I'll show you how you can upload multiple files to Google Drive directly from your Android devices. So, in order to get started, first go to your Google Drive and tap on it to open. Now, at the bottom right corner, you can see the plus or add icon, tap on it. Now, in order to upload all the files from your Android devices to the Google Drive, tap on Upload option. Here on the top left corner, you can see the three horizontal lines, tap on it. Now for the easy access of your files and albums, just go to the gallery. And now go to the folder you want to copy. Then select all the files in it. And then go to the top right corner and tap onto the done icon. Once you do that, it starts uploading your files from your Android devices to your Google Drive. And once all your files have been downloaded on your Google Drive, it will look something like this on your Google Drive app on your mobile device. Now once you have backed up your photos, videos and documents on your Google Drive, you can access them from anywhere on your device. So this is it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.